In the quiet village of Eldermere, nestled between rolling green hills and a crystal-clear river, lived a humble blacksmith named Elias. He was known for his kindness and generosity, never turning away anyone in need. Though he had little wealth, his heart was rich with compassion. One evening, as Elias was closing his forge, a weary traveler knocked on his door. The man was clad in a tattered cloak, his face hidden beneath a hood. "Good sir, I have journeyed far and am in need of rest and nourishment," he said. Without hesitation, Elias welcomed the stranger into his home, offering him food and a place to sleep. As they ate, the traveler observed Elias closely. "You are a man of great heart," the traveler said. "Yet I sense a sorrow within you. Tell me what troubles you." Elias sighed. "I have all I need, yet my village suffers. The crops fail, the river dries in summer, and the children go hungry. If only I had the means to help them." The traveler smiled and reached into his cloak, producing a small, ornate box. "You have given freely, without expecting anything in return. This is my gift to you." He handed the box to Elias. "Inside, you will find a single golden seed. Plant it in the village square at dawn, and all shall change." Elias thanked the traveler and did as instructed. As the first rays of sunlight touched the soil, the seed sprouted into a magnificent tree with golden leaves and silver fruit. The tree bore endless fruit, nourishing the villagers, while its roots reached deep underground, bringing water to the river once more. Word of the miracle spread, and Eldermere flourished. No one went hungry again, and the village prospered. Elias, though amazed, never sought fame or fortune. Instead, he continued his work, always ready to help those in need. One day, the traveler returned, no longer clad in tattered robes, but radiating divine light. "Elias, you have proven that kindness is the greatest wealth. The seed was a gift of God, but it was your goodness that made it flourish." With those words, the traveler vanished, leaving behind only a gentle breeze. And so, Eldermere thrived, a village forever blessed by the kindness of one humble blacksmith and the divine gift he received.